Hey y'all, it's TT Lavish, and today I'm going to show y'all how to put false lashes on. This used to be a struggle for me, and I looked at so many YouTube videos. I just never found a video that made sense to me, and nobody could show me how to do it. I tried so many different ways, and none of them worked. And I thought I was just gonna have to be a basic little bitch without my eyelashes. But I'm gonna show y'all some tips and tricks I learned while struggling to put eyelashes on, especially if you have super curly eyelashes like myself. You finna slay after this. You couldn't put your eyelashes on, I guarantee after this you're gonna be able to put your eyelashes on. Please bear with me, y'all, because trying to do this in front of a camera was something else, but I did it for y'all, so y'all better enjoy this. Y'all better learn something. Y'all better learn something today. So first, I'm gonna recommend you get some thick lashes. Now, I know when you first start getting into lashes, your instinct is to pick up some natural lashes. Oh yeah, we're gonna ignore my missing nail. They're literally coming off tomorrow. But I'm gonna be honest, the thick lashes are a lot easier to apply. And maybe just to practice with, you could practice with the thick lashes, and then to actually go out, once you've mastered it, you can go ahead and put on some natural lashes. To make your super thick lashes not look so crazy, I would recommend getting thick lashes that have gaps in them, so you don't feel like you have horse lashes on. My favorite lashes right now are actually some pretty cheap drugstore eyelashes. Ardell 203, I'll have it below. The Ardell lashes are actually pretty firm, so you can grab them with your fingers, you can easily manipulate them with your tweezers, and it's just gonna be a lot easier to put on your eyes. Unlike these mink eyelashes that are out right now, while they feel super soft and nice, they're just so much harder to manipulate with your fingers or the tweezers. Which, who is rubbing their hands against, who is touching your eyelashes? Maybe their face, possibly. Now that we've covered the lashes, for the glue, right now I'm using Duo in black. I've tried so many other glues. I've even tried the hair glue. If you want to give it a try, it works. I just am not the hugest fan of putting something on my eyes that doesn't belong on my eyes. And why I prefer the black Duo glue is because it's like a navy blue, and then once the glue is ready, it actually turns black. And when I'm wearing eyelashes, I normally have eyeliner on too, so I'm not worried about the black being on my eyelid because there's already going to be black eyeliner there. Because I have super curly eyelashes, before I go ahead and apply the eyelash or even my eyeliner, I take a eyelash curler upside down and I pinch my eyelashes downward. So we're back in my bathroom. It's a really crazy setup. The lighting is really weird in here, and so I'm gonna flip my eyelash curler upside down and I'm gonna curl my eyelash. If you're struggling in getting your eyelash curler to curl downwards, you can try putting a little bit of mascara, letting it dry, and then curling it. I know people say do not put mascara and then curl your eyelashes because you'll rip them out, but just a little tiny bit. Or you can try the clear mascara gel. I can't remember off the top of my head the one I used, so I will have in the description. I don't normally do that now, but I know at first, I don't know, it just wouldn't stay. So we're about to get arts and craftsy here for a second. To apply my eyelashes, I literally hold them down with a plastic applicator. I make these plastic applicators with old makeup brush plastic. So any type of clear bendy plastic. I wouldn't try cardboard or paper or anything because you want it to be clear. You want to be able to see what you're doing. So you're gonna cut a nice piece of the plastic I would say about 2 to 3 inches by 1 to 2 inches. The width of the plastic has to be about the width of your eye. Once you've got that rectangle piece of plastic cut, you're gonna make a crescent shape on one end. Start more shallow and then work your way to a deeper crescent. You can just check the plastic against your eyelid to make sure you have the right depth of your crescent shape. Be sure to round off the edges. Once you've gotten your crescent shape, I just recommend you mark the plastic with an X so you don't lose your eyelash applicator on your table or vanity, as I have done too many times. Once you've selected your pair of lashes, I always recommend you remove them with a pair of tweezers so you do not rip them. I have just shredded eyelashes trying to rip them from the plastic with my fingers. Now, some eyelashes will already have a nice curvature to them. Some of them will be a flat band. You're gonna need to make sure your eyelashes are curled by wrapping your eyelash around like an eyeliner or a pencil and just leave it there for a few seconds. I always like to make sure that my eyelashes have a nice curve to them so they don't look like camel eyelashes. Grab the lash with a tweezer and I pull the lashes through an eyelash curler. I curl them right at the root of the lash so that they curve away from my super curly eyelashes, and then I'll do another slight curve towards the middle of the eyelashes. For a brand new pair of lashes, I do 2 thin coats of glue. I do 1 thin coat on the lash bands and I blow dry it. Yes, I blow dry it. I let the blow dryer run for a few seconds, like 5 or 10 seconds to make sure it's hot, and then I blow dry the eyelash for, I want to say 3 to 5 seconds. So I go ahead and apply my second coat of glue, applying a thicker amount at the 2 ends, and I blow dry for 3 to 5 seconds. You will notice as you blow dry, the glue will instantly turn from navy blue to black, and now it's ready to put on your eyelash. I've gripped the tweezer in the correct placement, and I've placed the eyelash on my eye where I want it to be. So I know like I want it to sit like right there. So once I have my glue on, I already know exactly where I'm gonna place my eyelash. Y'all are going to watch me struggle. I'm trying to show y'all in this camera. It was a task, but we got it done. I got it done for y'all. Now, when it comes to applying lashes, make sure your eyes are dry. You really want your eyes everywhere on your eyelid to be dry. Trying to do this in the camera and then trying to talk to y'all. It's not happening. So y'all just gonna have to watch. Place the clear applicator over my natural lashes, leaving a space to apply my lashes, and I apply my false lashes to the skin just above my lash line. I figured out this blow dry method when I was traveling and it was super humid and I could not get my eyelashes to stick onto my eyelid because it was just so humid. So I grabbed the blow dryer and tried to like dry the air and like dry the glue. You instantly get the perfect amount of tackiness to put on your eyelashes right away, and it'll stay tacky longer than if you had waited the I think it's like 90 seconds that you normally have to wait for your glue to turn tacky. You'll have that full time to apply your eyelash. Most thicker lashes, the lashes are a little bit firmer, and you can actually just take your hands and push the lash or grab it with your finger and push it to where you want it. When the ends of your lashes start to lift up off your lash line and it looks crazy, like your eyelashes are about to fly away, I literally take my lash glue and place it behind my lash line on that end that's lifted up. I then take my blow dryer and blow dry my lash for literally like a second, 2 seconds. Go ahead and take my tweezers and push it back into spot, and I'll hold it there for about 10 seconds. Because you did that blow dryer, it's going to instantly stick to where you want it to stick, and if you don't put it where you want it to stick, the glue will still be tacky. So you can still go ahead and apply it where it needs to be. I don't always use the blow dryer while applying my lashes, but honestly, when I want like a really good application, I'm gonna use a blow dryer. Now, I have kind of like wide, like larger eyeballs, so you may need to cut your eyelashes to the length that you like will fit your eyelash. And if you're on the other end where your eyeballs are too big for the eyelash, I normally put some mascara on those inner corner lashes. When I have false lashes, I use Maybelline falsies. Right now I'm using brownish black, but usually with falsies I'll just use a black because your false lashes are black, so you want everything to blend and mix. Once your eyelashes are on, that's it. You're done. You're beautiful. You're ready to slay. I hope I helped you guys out on how to put on your eyelashes. I wish someone had showed me how to do this back in the day because I used to struggle. But now this is such a quick process for me. It's like the cutest. It's the keep pinging my phone. I can't talk to y'all. It's the fastest way to like really up your makeup or even no makeup look. It just really makes your face pop with some lashes. So I really hope you guys try this and figure out how to put some lashes on your eyeballs. My earrings are from 11th Karma. A link will be in the description below for you guys to go and check the site out. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so we can keep getting into these beauty tools, tips, and secrets to keep us all slayed, laid, and poppin'. Low and hot, high, hot. I turned the blow dryer. I'm not the... There's a fruit fly in my house. Woo! I'm literally in a squat trying to show y'all. I'm trying to help y'all out. So y'all better appreciate this because this is mad hard to do it in the camera. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Okay. I have to wash my hands. I can't find it, but I hope I killed it because otherwise it's going to be like flying around in front of these lights and that's not cute.